Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you some activities in EVS subject. So let's start. Clean and dirty. Clean and dirty. Put a tick right in the box for the clean place and a cross in the box for the dirty place. So let's do it. Look at these pictures and think of these pictures. Look, everything is perfect or not? Yes, all things will be perfect. Everything is perfect. This picture is not mess up. This picture is clean. So we have to tick right in the box of this picture. Look at other pictures. Everything is perfect in this picture. No, everything is mess up. So this picture is dirty. How is this? This picture is dirty. So we have to cross on this picture. Let's see other pictures. Look at these pictures. Everything is messed up. See, everything is messed up. How is this pictures? How is this? This is dirty. This picture is dirty. So we have to do cross in this box of this picture. Look at other pictures. How it is? How it is? This is nice. This is clean. So we tick right on this box of these pictures. See, observe the both pictures and give answer. First picture is how is this? How look at this? This is clean. And how look at this? This is dirty. Do you see? This is clean and this is dirty. So we have to tick right on a clean picture and we have to tick cross on a dirty picture. Same thing is again. Look at the both pictures. First picture is dirty. Did you see? First picture is dirty and other picture is clean. So we have to cross. We have to cross on a dirty picture and we have to tick right on a clean picture. Now let's do other activities. Be good. Tick right the pictures that show good manners and good habits. See some pictures given here. We going to observe them and give answer of it. Every picture. First picture is, look at this. Clean your room. So this is good manners or good habits. Yes, we should clean our room. Answer is tick right on this circle on this picture because we have to do clean our room. Look at this picture. Throw things around. Throw things around. So, children, give me answer. We have to do throw things around. No, this is bad manners. We don't throw things around. We don't throw things around. Look at this picture. Push someone. If you playing with someone, then you push him or her. It is good manners or bad manners? Yes. If we play with another friend or sister, yeah, brother, then we don't fight with them. We don't fight with them. We playing nicely. We playing nicely with them. Look at this picture. Help mother in the kitchen. So give me answer. This is good manners or this is good habits or not? Yes, we should help mother in the kitchen. This is good habits. This is good manners to help mother in the kitchen. So, we should tick right on this circle and this picture. So, this habit is good habit. This manners is good manners that we should help mother in the kitchen. Look at next picture. Pluck flowers. Pluck flowers. This is good habit or good manners to pluck the flowers? No, we don't pluck the flowers. We don't pluck the flowers. Look at this picture. Throw rubbish in the bin. Throw rubbish in the bin. So children, give me answer. We have to throw rubbish in the dustbin or not? Yes, we have to throw rubbish in the dustbin. This is good manners. This is good habit. So, we should tick right on this picture because this is good habit. This is good manners. Let's recap. Clean your room. Yes, we should clean our room. This is good habit and good manners. Throw things around. Throw things around. This is not good habit. This is not good manners because we don't throw things around of us. Push someone. This is good manners or this is good habit? No. When we playing, that time we don't fight with other friends. Help mother in the kitchen. This is good manners or this is good habit? Yes, we should help mother in the kitchen. This is good manners and good habits. Pluck flowers. This is not good. This is bad manners to pluck flowers and bad habits. Throw rubbish in the bin. Yes, we have to throw rubbish in the bin. So we have to tick right on this circle. Our next activity is safe and unsafe habits. Tick right the safe habits and tick cross the unsafe habits. So look at here. Stand in a line to get into the bus. So give me answer. This habit is safe for us or unsafe for us? Yes, this habit is safe for us because when we going into the bus, we should make line and then we go and then we get into the bus. So we tick right on this circle. Second picture, throw garbage on the road. Children, give me answer. This is safe for us or this is unsafe for us? Yes, this is unsafe for us because it's not hygienic for us, for our health. So we don't throw garbage on the road. We cross on this circle. This is unsafe for us. Look at next pictures. Run on the road. Run on the road. Children, give me answer. This is safe for us or unsafe for us? Yes, this is unsafe for us because we don't run on the road. We don't run on the road. So we have to do cross on this circle. Look at other pictures. Use zebra crossing. So children, give me answer. We have to use zebra crossing. This is safe for us or unsafe for us? Yes, whenever we cross the road, then we use zebra crossing. This is safe for us. This is safe for us. So we have to tick right on this circle. Use zebra crossing. This is safe for us. Look at the next picture. Hang out of the bus. Hang out of the bus. Students, give me answer. This is safe for us or unsafe for us? Yes, this is unsafe for us. We should don't hang out of the bus. We should don't hang out of the bus. It is unsafe for us. So we have to do cross on this circle. Walk on the footpath. Walk on the footpath. So give me answer. This is safe for us or unsafe for us? Yes, we should walk on the footpath. This is good for us. Tick right on this circle. We should walk on the footpath. This is good for us. I hope you enjoy and understand. Thank you.